collision in India's Odisha state killed 300 people and injured 800 more. This is a tragic accident, and even the Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his condolences and announced a day of mourning. Train accidents are very common in India even today, and the worst disaster was in 1981, where it killed 800 people. Scientists are excited about the new Galleri blood test that can detect 50 types of cancers and accurately get 2/3 of them right in symptomatic individuals. It has an 85% success rate in determining the cancer's origin, and further evaluations are ongoing. The results will come early next year. 4 children in the Amazon rainforest in Colombia survived a plane crash that killed all the adults on board. Now, people are trying to search for them since they've been missing for 2 weeks after the crash that was caused by an engine failure happened. It's likely that they're hiding in the forest that they are very familiar with. Human remains matching missing call center staff in Mexico were found in a ravine near Guadalajara in Mexico. The exact number of people missing and people found is not known, but in Mexico, the homicide rates and missing people rates is very high, with 1,500 people missing since 2018 in the Jalisco state and over 100,000 people missing in Mexico at the moment. Thanks to the WHO's emergency response, the Marburg virus outbreak in Tanzania is officially over, and it had a fatality rate of 88%. Also, Joe Biden, the president of USA, is doing fine after his fall on stage during the graduation ceremony. D-Day refers to June 6, 1944, a day that the Allied forces invaded Normandy, France in World War II in order to liberate France from the Nazi occupation. It's a day celebrated to remember the success of that invasion and the courage and bravery of the soldiers.
Yeah, so I started off my career with MBA in marketing. I was not happy with the job that I was doing because, it was not something that I always wanted to do, but circumstances made me do it. But it was during COVID, I figured out that content writing is something that I have been doing since my school days. And this is something that I'm very passionate about. So I left my high paying job in sales, and I started searching for options. I started off with a very nominal salary job in content writing, and thereafter a lots of struggle and a lot of hard work. Today I am here working as a content manager for an MNC company. So being a content writer is not just about writing. Being a content writer, I always believe that you should write on the things that you feel you should speak to the people. Your writing is something that should come out naturally. I tell stories on topics that I love, and I think that people will love listening. So what I do, I usually write motivation stories. I write on trends. I talk about trends. I talk about self-awareness. That is something that I have learned throughout my journey. Your work is something that you should love. Follow your dreams, your passion, something that makes you happy doing.
Thank you for watching, and help us get to 1,000 subscribers by liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting below. Thank you, and stay tuned for next week.